Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unbagging our IPSY Glam Bag. Plus, this is the last one for the year. This is for the month of December. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, I will leave all the information down below. So if you'd like to try it out for yourself, you will have all of that information readily available. Now, I do want to say I apologize for putting this video up a little late. I was out of town. I came back and I had a couple packages. So we're going to do them all a day and knock them out. Okay? Okay, now as you know, IPSY does not give us a description card. So we're going to wing it. And down below, I will list all of the prices of each individual item. Okay? So let's just see what our bag looks like for the month. How about this right here? And it says, hooray. Okay. And I'm not exactly sure what this kind of print is supposed to be, but we're just going to let it do what it do. All right. And the little information card that they have says, treat yourself. Don't forget to get a little something for yourself too. The theme for the month of December is, oh, what fun. All right, and it says, let the celebrations begin. We're throwing a month-long holiday party to bring you all the good cheer and glam beauty. So, swipe on a bright lip, slip on your dancing shoes, and get ready to reveal the most wonderful time of the year, okay? And inside it gives you some minimalist versus maximalist makeup looks for the upcoming New Year celebrations, okay? Okay, so that's enough of that, all right? So, let's get started. The very first item that I have is by Tarte, and this is the Shadow and Liner Quick Stick. And it says waterproof shadow and liner. And it is a 0.007 ounce size. The shade that I have is called Golden Pink Luster and Black, okay? And it says 30-second eyes. So that's the outer packaging, but this is what the inside packaging looks like. And it says, it's a complete eye look, a 3-in-1 primer, shadow, and liner. Perfect for no makeup days and glam nights. And of course, it is waterproof. All right. And this is a cruelty-free product, and I will list the price. Before we swatch it, let's just check the shelf life, okay, and see. Wow, this one has a 6-month shelf life. So, but I really think I want to see, because since this is different, it's a liner and a shadow all in one, we can reach for this as well. So we're going to go ahead and swatch it. All right, now the liner in and of itself, classic Tarte, it's beautiful black, beautiful. And ooh, the shadow, oh, come with it. All right, here we go. So how about that? That is what the shadow and the liner looks like, okay? So this is item number 1. Then the next item that we have is by the Lifestyle Company. And it says, mood was made with you in mind. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is a fragrance, all right? Guess what the name of the fragrance is? I already told you right off the bat. It's Mood, okay? And it says the fragrance notes are jasmine, amber, cedarwood, and saffron. This one has a 36-month shelf life. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, nice. I think my G1 is gonna like this. It's interesting. Let me let it dry down a little bit and then we'll see exactly what that smells like. Okay, but so far so good. So that is item number 2. Item number 3. I love this brand. Okay, love this brand. I can't wait to, I said I wasn't going to say that anymore. I'm excited to use this product. This is by the company Pink Lips, and this is the Soft Matte Primer. Okay, can you see that okay? All right, and it says key benefits. The velvety matte texture glides effortlessly over the skin, smoothing over imperfections for a poreless effect. All right, this is a vegan and cruelty-free product. And let's see. It says, girls, be your own stars, what the packaging says. And then we will open it up and see what the inside packaging looks like. Now, it is a mirrored, there we go. Okay. So that's what the inside packaging looks like. All right. Now, I'm going to use this one. I'm almost out of my other primer. Okay, it does not necessarily have a scent to it. Now, I wanted to try this one because, first of all, I like Pink Lips products. It has that feel of the Tatcha primer. So it's nice and smooth. Like I said, it does not have a scent to it. So I've already placed it down here. Of course, you're not going to be able to see it. You may be able to see the effects of it, but you may not see the product itself. So I will let you know when I am trying this on. I may do a Pink Lips product review because I do have quite a few items by them. Then the next item that I have, you've seen this before on this channel. Definitely seen it before. So this company, as much as I like their products, I hate the fact that they waste so much. All right, so this is by Kate Berkey, and this is the Essential Radiance Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. Okay, and this is what the packaging looks like. All right, and it says this is a 1.7 fluid ounce size. This is the cult favorite, a vitamin C intensive face cream. It's specifically developed to meet the needs of lackluster complexion and to protect the skin from environmental toxins. Okay, now this is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, now I do have her night cream as well as this vitamin C cream. It has a 12-month shelf life. All right, so like I said, this is not something that's new to my channel, so I'm sure you've seen it before, which means I've given you the information on it before. So how about that? Okay, so this one is item number 4. Now, as you know, we're getting ready to go to our next and last product. When you choose your IPSY products, you're able to choose a couple of them. Well, the Pink Lips was the first one that I chose. And the next one that I chose, I wanted this palette and didn't receive it, but I got it now. And this is by Violet Voss, and it's the Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. I really wanted this one. I love greens, love how they look. Okay, and this one is, it has a 24-month shelf life, and the weight is 0.55 ounce size. Okay, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. And the inside packaging, it does have a mirror, so we're going to go ahead and cover that. And oh my God, this is just so beautiful to me. This is what the palette itself looks like. Get a load of those gorgeous shades. I'm here for this. I am so ready to use this palette. Okay, so shall we swatch? We shall. I'm going to do this Infinity Black, Olive Glow, and Olive Me. Okay, so what I've done is 2 shimmers and a matte. This is what they look like, and let's just swatch right here. That's just one pass, y'all. One pass. Okay, here's what the shades look like. That's gorgeous, right? Okay, I am excited to use them. I loved this palette. I've wanted this palette, and now I have it. So tell me, what are your thoughts? I really am very excited. I can appreciate this particular set of products. I can really appreciate the products that came in this month. By the way, this perfume, Mood, has dried down very, very nicely. Very nicely. I do like the way this smells. Okay. I may be purchasing that product. That's actually very nice. Okay. And then we also received our Kate Berkey Vitamin C Face Cream. And of course, our Pink Lips Primer. Okay, and now this gorgeous Olive You Forever palette. So, what are your thoughts? What did you get in your box? Let me know down below, okay? Now, I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. And these are the items that were enclosed, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.